We arrived in the Daintree Heritage Rainforest and were camped at Noah Beach campsite where the forest meets the sea. The vegetation diversity is astounding, with 16 palm fan species and many other species of fig. There are few words to describe the sheer beauty and splendor of this place. The area receives on average 3.5 meters of rain annually, and in fact this year they'd already had over 7 meters. The beachstone curlew is a really cool little bird. It is also an endangered species, but it has the best real estate in Australia. We would rise early each morning and have a coffee on the beach at sunrise. It was magnificent. One morning after sunrise, we went for a hike up Mount Sorrow. Captain Cook climbed this mountain in 1770 when he ran aground at Cape Tribulation. He was looking for a passage past the reef, but he was bitterly disappointed, hence the name Mount Sorrow. The track is an arduous trail and it took us 7 hours, but it was adventuresome and it was really worthwhile. There are over 900 species of trees, and 40% of Australian birds can be found here. The plant diversity is world-renowned. We visited the Discovery Centre and did a treetop walk, which was educational and enlightening. We can be thankful that in 1984, a protest group put the Daintree on the map and stopped any future logging and development. Our last morning, we did another long beach walk down to the mouth of the Noah River. But please don't be fooled by the serenity. There is a large 4-metre salty, and that was seen here only the day before.